You look good.
Thanks, I just got back from holiday.
You go on holiday and renovate your house. How do you do that? Did you win the lottery?
No, I didn't. I applied for ECORENO,
ECORENO?
the new credit that the Housing Fund offers to owners and tenants in Brussels. It allows you to finance all types of renovation work at very interesting rates. Today, the ECORENO credit offers a great opportunity if you want to improve the energy performance of your home in order to reduce the cost of electricity, oil or gas, and contribute to a better environment and quality of life in Brussels. With the ECORENO credit, you can increase the comfort and consequently the value of your home. The ECORENO credit can help you to adapt a home to the needs of people with disabilities or elderly people with reduced mobility so that they can stay in their homes for longer and in good conditions.
And everyone can benefit from this?
Yes, as long as your house is located in the Brussels capital region and that your income falls within the scales for fund loans. ECORENO is accessible to owners and even tenants. The rates are set according to your income. The ECORENO credit is either a mortgage loan or a consumer loan.
That's really interesting. I also want to renovate my house.
Then what are you waiting for? You can find more information on the website of the Brussels Housing Fund. You can simulate your rate and make an appointment. www.fonds.brussels.
An affordable renovation. It's possible with ECORENO, the new credit from the Brussels Housing Fund. Attention, borrowing money also costs money.